Hello everyone, this is Low-End Geek. In today's video, I will be showing you how to skip all missions in GTA 5 in 2 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. First of all, download the 100% game completion save file. I have mentioned the link in the video's description. Open your browser, paste the link, and just download the file. I have already done it, so let's get started. After downloading the file, extract it. Now, if you can have an unofficial version of GTA 5, just copy the entire folder as it is. Press Windows plus R button on your keyboard and type app data and open it. Open roaming folder and simply paste the entire folder here. Now, if you have an official version of the game, just open the folder, open GTA 5, and open this profile numbered folder too. And copy all the files available there. Now, go to Documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5, Profiles, and this folder under Profiles and simply paste all the files here. If you cannot find the folder in Documents, open the game first, then it'll be created, or you can manually create it by just renaming every folder like I have shown in the video. Let's test if it's working. Let me open GTA 5 real quick. As you can see already on the screen, everything is completed, and all the missions have been completed too. That is all for this video. Let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials and benchmarks.